Hey there, internets. So in my previous video, I quickly explained why I'm starting to branch out and experience other platforms beyond Webflow. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can click the link in the top corner or the one in the description below. So in this new series of videos, I'm going to explore different modern no-code tools by building a simple homepage and blog post template in each one like this. This will be a small site about a fictional upcoming space hotel called Nova Aurora. Now, we won't be building the whole thing, but just the main parts of it, like the navbar, the hero row, the blog post list, and the blog post page. And we're starting with Wix Studio. Now, last week I did a live stream of my first experience with it. If you want to watch the full unedited version, there's a link to the video below. What you'll see here is a cut down version of it. Soon, I'll do a second live stream to cover more of the animations and CMS that Wix Studio offers, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified when I'll be doing that. Now, on to my first time experience. All I want to do today is create a very basic site, which is a homepage, a blog page, and that's it. And try to make it mobile, all within an hour. Will I be able to do it? I don't know. We'll probably skip a couple sections, but this is what ultimately I'm trying to go for right here. Yeah, let's get to it. This right here. Oh boy, here we go. Here we go. If you're a Wix community member, you're probably going to be like, what is he doing? But this is me fumbling through life, right? Here we go. Click. Okay, new tab. All right, I want a blank canvas. I want to learn from scratch. It's very much light mode. I don't think there's a dark mode on this UI. So you have a canvas and there's hardly any buttons. They give you a navbar straight off the bat. Interesting. My first thought was, yeah, I need to build a navbar, obviously. So let me go back to my design right here. So I need a navbar that's super simple and responsive. Logo, 2 links, home, and transmissions. This should be easy. I have home already. Thank you. All right. So if I want to add a new one, I'm already scared. Why am I scared? Oh my God. Okay. I'm going to double click. Okay. Double click. Add an item. Main pages. I haven't even made a new page yet, but main pages. Okay, now it's getting cut off here and I can't scroll left and right, so there's a UI issue here. But yeah, I'm getting scared, but it's okay. Just go with the flow. Submenu title, no. Okay, so I guess I have to create a new page first before adding it up to here. So all right, that makes sense. So is this already responsive? I'm guessing it's already responsive if I go like this. Yep. Let me preview it. Eyeball means preview. Makes sense. Okay, it doesn't seem like there's any animations that happen except for right here. Wait, I go to X. Oh, okay, it's just a little... Okay, I get it. Here we go. Back on desktop. All right, so the first part is done for me. I just wanted a simple navbar and it was already done. So, cool. Let's move on. Hero row. Seems super simple. You just have a section, a hero section with a background image and text, 2 buttons. This is probably going to be flex-box. This whole thing's going to be flex vertical, whereas the 2 buttons right here is going to be flex horizontal. Let's get to it. All right, so I have a new section. Grid. I don't want a grid layout. Oh, okay. Designed section. All right, I'm going to click on this first. Design section. Okay, so they give you some templates straight off the bat. This one looks the closest to what I'm trying to do. Yeah, let's go for the simple one right here. But I don't want that overlap. I'm hoping this image is a background image that I can pull it all the way to the left. But if do I have to click and drag or just single click? Click. Okay, single click. There we go. Now my mind is going, when do I start adding CSS? Because I want a container. Because I'm thinking from a developer's point of view. I'm going to copy this text. Paste it in here. Let's go ahead and get other copy, paste it in here. Cool, cool, cool. All right, now I want a second button. So I have learn more. My mind is telling me Command D for duplicate. Will it work? It did, Command D. Okay, so a couple of hotkeys that are shared across the designer space. All right, so I want these buttons to be in one row. I feel like I'm missing something here. Let me delete this. Okay, so I have a stack. Okay, I understand stacks. We have in Webflow there's quick stack, and so I want to stack this horizontally. Can I put a stack within a stack? Ooh. You stack the two buttons similar to auto layout, and you have to click both buttons. Oh, you can multi-select? You have to click both buttons and click stack. Okay, let me try it. Command D. And again, if you're familiar with Wix Studio and you're seeing me fail over and over and you're getting frustrated to the point where you want to leave the stream, I don't blame you. This is learning. Okay, cool. You could multi-select layers or elements. You have to click both. Ah, there it is. So I clicked on both, and then I have to stack, and I want to do stack horizontal right there. Interesting. All right, moving forward. Learn more, sign up. So now we have the learn more. I'm going to double click. I want to change the text. Okay, sign up. I don't know what you're signing up for. And let's change it. Let's do our first style change. There's no classes. There's no classes. What happens if I change the background to transparent? Nope, that's duplicate. Duplicate, interesting. Transparent, but I want the text to be black. That's color. Okay, color picker. Okay. Okay, so these are like variables down here. Cool. I don't want... Oh, that's 4%. 0. There we go. Borders. I want one pixel everywhere. Okay, so I understand what the locked means. It means if you do it here, it does it on all sides. So I'm going to do 1, and I want the color to be black. There we go. We're off to the races. All right. Sweet. Next one, image. So I'm going to delete it. And I want this whole section to have a background. Okay, we have it right here. Okay, media, add image. Can I just drag in? I cannot. I cannot. All right, hold on. Let me try to upload it real quick. Okay, so after you click upload, it shows this. And this feels like Upload Care, a third party. Can I drag it in here? Okay, it's uploading. There we go. There we go. Okay. Change background is what I'm feeling. There we go. Okay. Cool, cool. How do I... Okay. Select the focal point of the media. Right here. Select the focal point because I want to move the rocket to the right. Oh, what is this? Okay. I want this to be the focal point. Is this just background position? Background dash position in CSS? Scale to fill. Oh no, original size. Can I move it? Yeah, it's background position. So it's another way of saying background position without actually saying it. Interesting. And now it's hard to read this text, so can I make this whole cell the text white? So yeah, text, there we go. Okay. So why is this? Because I was looking for the color picker that's the same as this one. This one has a color picker right here like that, but this one is different. See how the color picker is like this? So they give you other options, but interesting. All right, moving on. Next one. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some blog posts. Let's make something dynamic. Plus, I want a blog. Start a blog, okay? Site. So it's doing a lot in the background. Okay, I got scared. Okay, so two things happened to my brain. One, I was like, yo, this is already near what I was trying to do anyways, which is this design. And then two, I got scared because I was like, where's the hero row that I spent 15 minutes on? And then I looked up here. Oh, okay, I'm on the blog page. I'm not on the home page. So I'm going to go here, go to home. All right, it's still here. How can I add that section in here? All right, so we're on this page. And what I'm trying to do is add the blog post. Or add the blog list into here. So confused, but let's go to blog. Ah, blog list. No, blog. Ah, yeah. Okay, so these are different ways to do it. Clicking it. Where to go? Hello? Hello? I clicked it and nothing happened. I don't want it in there. Okay, deleted it. Okay, that was weird. Let's put it... Ooh, I can't drag in here? Hello? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm scared. Okay. I'm gonna try again. It's all about learning. It's all about learning. Quick add. I'm gonna put a section. Oh, okay. I have a section right here. I don't want pre-designed ones. I just want a regular section. I'm trying to learn. Hover over a line between... Thank you, Janae. I get it. So she's saying hover over in between the two sections, and then you can click add section. Thank you. Yeah. There we go. A design section. No, I want a blog. And put it in here. Okay, I get it. Different way of thinking. It's I'm done with this section and I want to add a new one. So you go in between. Yep, you go in between and say add a new section. Okay, that's making sense. Now I'm going to manage my posts. Can we put sample data? Give me create a post with AI. Okay. I can't save as... Okay, I can save. There we go. Auto save is already on. Yeah, let's just publish anyway. Great, it's published. So I have one post. Let's make another. Cool. Publish. All right, let's make one more. Okay, there we go. Publish. Add to page. Cool. Okay. So we have this, and I don't like the padding. Padding. Where's padding? Ah, right here. Okay. I can't click and drag. I have to click. Ooh. There's no click and drag. You have to type it in. I want to make these wider. Ugh. Okay, so I want to make these wider. So I have to think like a developer, but not think like a developer at the same time. Blog post list. Interesting that they don't show you the elements within it, because I have the section. I totally understand a section. That's a div. This post list, that's a div. Where are my cards? Where are my cards at? Stretch. Okay. I'm confused. What did stretch do? You saw that. Okay. Okay, now it's centered. Okay, if I go like this. Interesting. No, not good. No, I want... I'm confused as to why, if I go beyond 1,000 or 1080 on the container width, that it adds another column for me. But yeah, this is interesting. So it's a widget. You can't actually customize them a lot. You need to go to settings for that. So usually the way around it is to create a widget from scratch. Interesting. So we got these. Let me get the H2 up in there. Add text. This should be simple. This should be simple. I want an H2. Why is it positioned? Why is it position absolute? Okay, I want to make the... Okay, choose a layout. I want it vertically stacked. So what I learned is you can select both and stack vertically. I like that. I like that. Trying to figure out why this is there. Okay, what I'm trying to figure out why this text is hiding. Font size, formatting, line height. They're using M's. That's cool. Found it right here. For some reason, it had a negative margin. Can I drag that down? No dragging. Only click and typing. Not a fan of that. All right, there we go. And we're going. I feel like I'm getting a little bit faster. I want a regular text. I want higher. There we go. And this text is going to say updates. And then under here. And why are you there? Attach. Interesting. All right. And get this text. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now let's add another button. I feel like I'm getting a little bit faster. And this button is going to attach. Feeling it, feeling it. Let's go bring you here. View all posts. Links to page, choose page, blog. Yep, I'm feeling that. Now I'm going to click both of these. And I want to stack. And they're going to be horizontal. Now I want to make this full width. I want to click this and just say auto. Min width is always, stack width is always set to auto. Okay. No. No. Give me full width. Can I just say auto? No? 100%? I broke it. Interesting. I feel like we got far with this. It's a lot of learning, and which I enjoy. It gets out of the container, so I have to try to figure it out? No, not a fan. Because if I... Oh, wait. Yeah, see? Right here? It's broken. No bueno. Oh, wow. Confused. Undo all the things. So that does that. That makes sense. You want to... Full width, please. No. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. So we got pretty far. Let's just look at responsive now. Does it make stuff responsive for me? Yeah. Let's see if I can change the focus. Can I change to scale to fill? I can. Okay. That's responsive. Cool. They immediately give you a search when you add a blog component to this. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. What if I want to move it? Okay, that makes sense. If I go here, yep. So you're playing with CSS. All right, let's do this. What if I take this and say, let's see here. That's fine. Ooh, that's not fine. Look how small that is. Yeah. Well, at least I can see CSS breakpoints working. What if I don't want to see this? Can I display none? Let me just delete it. Hide elements on this break. Select hide. Yeah, I can't find hide. Yeah. Right click hide. There it is. Okay. So it's not in the styles. It is. So hide just means it's like a function or something, whereas this one is a style. Okay, I get that. But it's here, but then we're going to hide it. And yeah. Okay. Okay. 3 dots. Thank you, Janae. All right. And let's look at our blog. Okay, where's our blog post? Here we go. That's what I want. It sets up a lot for... Oh, wow, okay. It has this too, has comments. So it sets up a lot for you. It does a lot of hand-holding. I could see how fast you can create a site with Wix. And it makes sense. It's just a different way of thinking. Where it seems like with Wix Studio, it's more about relying on things that are already templatized to help you going faster on these simple sites and not relying much on the style panel. And I think that's on purpose because when I first loaded the blank page, the only thing I saw was the canvas and the left toolbar. The styles are collapsed. They're hidden on the right. So right here, when you first create a new site, the styles are hidden right here. And I think they do that on purpose because they don't want to overwhelm you when it's your first go. But as you start to learn what one button does and another button, then more buttons start to make sense. And that's it. Thanks again for watching this cut down version of my stream. Part 2 will be coming soon. So until then, have a great day and thanks for making the web beautiful together. See ya.